everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Android calls not working in Messenger. First things first, what you want to do is to head straight to Google Play to check if your Messenger is up to date. If it is, head to Settings and scroll down until you find the apps. Press that button and it will bring you to a page where all your installed apps are listed. Type Messenger and click it once you find it. Then, it will bring you to another page where all the information of the app is posted. What you want to do here is press Storage. It will show you information of how much data the application consumes. Next thing you want to do is clear all the data by pressing this button. Then, exit the storage page and proceed by force stopping the application with the force stop option. After that, you'll want to change application permission to make sure that its features are only allowed when using the application. Next, restart your device. Once it's restarted, open Messenger and head to your profile settings by clicking the top left icon. Then, look for Notifications and Sounds menu and open it to turn it on. And that's it! Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!